guys, I know this is a weird angle, but I want to show you what I'm doing. I'm running embossing folders through, and I did, okay, so this goes this way. What I'm doing is I'm creating an embossing folder 1 followed by a 2. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is going to be my background in the embossing folder, okay? So I want it as far to the right as I can get it. Like I want that all the way in perfectly, okay? So all the way in. All right, we're going to roll that through. We're going to roll it through. Come on. Come on. And then once we get it rolled through, we're going to pull it out. And see what you have here is your embossed side. And I used my Lindy's. I was going to do this, and I started this beautiful watercolor thing, and I did it backwards. This should have been the flower side. Let's see. Maybe it's not too late. Let me see which way this goes. Okay, that would be the bottom. Maybe I can get this to match up without too much trouble. Maybe. We'll go this way. Will that fit? Yeah, that'll fit. Hopefully it'll match up okay. This is just an example though, anyways. So put that down. Put this on top. And then we're going to roll this through again. Fix my mistake, I hope. Pull this out. Let's see. Did I fix it? Basically, I mean, it's okay. I'm okay with that. I can live with that. It's just an example. All right, and then we're going to put this side, this pink side, over here. Okay, and that's all we're going to mark. Hopefully I got enough to fit. Maybe I'll go a little more. I'm going to push this back through. So this is what happens when you use 2 different embossing folders on one piece of paper. I kind of liked it. I thought it was an okay thing to do. Pull it out. Now look at this. I hope it turned out good. And it did. See, now this is gone, and you have this 2-toned. Can you see it? You got flowers on one side, and you got the swirlies on the other. Let me put my machine away. I thought that was nifty. And then I'll go over the flowers with a flower-colored oxide ink. Let's see. We'll get a green for the green. And let's just do orange. Why not? I think orange might look nice on here. Okay. This is evergreen bough, and we're going to go over the greens. Bring those out a little more. See that? That's pretty good. I like. And then for the flowers, we're going to do the spiced marmalade. Now that is orange, but I think it's going to look nice. See our flowers? Yay, I like that. Look, is that not the coolest? And you can kind of see where they went up to each other, but I think in a journal or a card, that might look good. That might look okay. You guys tell me what you think. Look at the back. Holy cow, that's gorgeous. That's pretty. You can still see that line though, and I don't know what to do about that line other than cover it up. And that may be what I do. I might put a strip of something here and a strip of something there, and then just embrace it. Let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. Let me find something here. Like a piece of lace would work. Because remember, we're going to put it in a journal. Okay. So you could do a piece of lace right here, and then you could do a piece of lace here. So your two laces are aiming towards each other. Why not? Why not? Let's just do that. If I can find my scissors. I have everything out here from a big session of journaling, and I have got to put it all away soon, or it's just gonna suffocate me. I'll use my pinkers. Let's just go here. See how much we need. Now this is still kind of damp from having run it through, but let's just see. For the grace and giggles of it, let's just see. We'll go down. Let's use this one. It's better. Works a little better. We'll go down this line. Right? And we'll go down. Where was? Oh, there's my other line. Right there. We'll go down that line. And again, I think for a pocket on a journal, this might look really cool. Now I got a tickle in my nose. We'll go this way. We're going to let this dry and then we'll trim. Let's bring it right, nice and neat. Okay, and then we'll put the other one here, right? And then we could put buttons. I think buttons might look nice on there. And we've got us some spring or Easter. How did I do that? Spring or Easter fun here. There we go. Look at that. Now all we need to do, we could put some of those die cuts we made on Tuesday on here, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Like something like that? Oh, I like that. Heck yeah, that's pretty cool. We could do the leaf. Leaf's too big. We could do the vine. Oh, I love the vine. That's it right there. What do you guys think? I'll bring you in closer. All right, get ready for a ride. Isn't that cool? I like that. That's what we're going with right there. And then I can put a little bow or something right there. Yay! I think that worked out great. Which side now is better? This side? Or I'm leaning towards that side so far, or that side. Yeah, I like this side. So we're going to glue this side. Tell me what you guys think. Is this something you would use? I like it. I mean, I think that it would go good in a botanical or a spring journal. One of these days I'm going to surprise you guys with something I make like this. And then I have the stone stickles. Wow. Okay, so May not be everybody's cup of tea, but I like it. So now over here in our flowers, we'll put the golden stone stickles for our final. Make it look pretty. Oh, I like this, guys. The more I look at it, the better I like it. I'll get all this mess out of the way so you can see the actual. Our little stone stickles there, those look cool. I'll show them to you once they're dry. Oh my goodness. We have any more right here? Yeah. We have one here. Now that's different. Do I want to do anything else? Probably not. Not at the moment. I may come in and run the gold around the outside. Is that not the coolest? What do you guys think? Now, of course, the glue will dry. You won't see that at some point. Oh my goodness. I like it. I have to say, I like it. All right, so I'm going to put this away to dry. I'm going to clean up a little bit of my mess. And guys, I'll see you on Sunday with a very, very special something. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm working on lots of stuff over here. And again, ooh, look at the little heart. Should we? Should we? I don't know where I would put it. Yeah, I don't like the little heart there. All right, so I'm going to be doing some die cuts all week. Yikes! I am so bent on ruining my stickles, but tell me what you guys think. Let me zoom out and then bring the. Is that the coolest? Can you see? Of course, like I said, that will dry here soon, but I really like it. I like it. Yeah, I know. I'm going to mess with something that shouldn't be messed with here, but I'm thinking, watch, this is just a thought. Do I have one that's already? Yeah. Let's try. Let's barely, just barely get a little bit of this on here. Hopefully I don't screw it up. That's okay. What I'm trying to do is line the edges with the gold. Maybe just a little like that. Does it have to be perfect? No. Sure does not, but I think that's pretty cool. Maybe a little more. Look at this. Just a smidge. Just enough to brighten it up a little. Okay, guys, I think I should quit while I'm ahead, but that looks good. I like that. We'll share the wealth, the gold here. Make it look a little brighter. I mean, it's good the way it was, but yay! All right. You may not be as excited as I am, but let me know. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm going to quit messing with it before I ruin it. But I think that should work. See, it dries quick. Once it's dry, you're done. You don't get do-overs, but I like that. I think that's good. All right, guys. I'll see you on Sunday, and then I'll see you on Tuesday. All right. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.